So if you're watching this video, it means that you're going to start a YouTube channel, or you have already started a YouTube channel but you're here for guidance. I know the process can be a little complicated, especially because when we look at other person's videos, we think we need all this amazing tech, camera, DSLR cameras, you know, expensive lighting, and a whole heap of other things, which yes, maybe you will down in, you know, as your channel grows. But just to begin to start your YouTube channel, you only need these 4 things. Alright, so the first thing that you'll need, and this is optional, but this is something that I have invested in and I love it so much, is a little microphone. So what it is that you plug in this section into your phone, your cell phone, and you just start recording. You can clip it on your shirt, you can put it out of the shot so that nobody sees, but it really amplifies your audio. It makes the video sound 10 times better. Right now I'm not even using an audio, I'm just using the recording from my phone. So if it is that my audio sounds off, it's because I'm not using this. But even without this, you will have amazing videos. Your quality should be pretty fine. The next thing that you will need is a cell phone. I'm pretty sure everybody has one of these. This is the phone that I started out with, that I started to record. And what I do, you can either record front facing or you can record with the back camera. I record with my back camera sometimes, and that is simply because I think that the back camera sometimes gets better shots. However, in this video I'm recording with another phone and I'm using my front camera. So you'll see that you can record with either your back or your front camera, and the quality will be just as amazing. The third thing that you will need is an editing software. So a lot of persons opt to use, if you have an iPhone, you can use the software that is on that. I personally use a software called Power Director. It is not free, so it gives you a free version where you can the basic edit and stuff, but it does have a watermark. If you want to pay, you can pay, and I'm pretty sure there are other editing softwares out there, and I can do a video on that to show you a few other video editing softwares that are out there. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead, leave a comment down in the comment section and I'll be sure to upload a video on that. So last but not least, the other thing that you need, and if it is that you have amazing natural lighting, then that's fine, but the other thing that I would recommend that you get is a ring light. Now I'm going to put a clip here or somewhere on the screen showing you the ring lights I have and you know how it elevates my video. So 1 second. Alright, so this is my video without a ring light. It is not too bad, but this is my video with a ring light. So this is me with a ring light. So as you can see, I am brighter in the frame, better lit. If you heard that chicken, please excuse me, I live close to chickens and they're always crowing at all hours of the day. Right now it's actually it's 11 a.m. in the morning, and if you heard that, I don't know. But back to the topic. So this is my video with a ring light, and as you can see, it's pretty amazing. You can, you know, I'm properly lit, and I think the quality just elevates your video 100% more. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to watch my other videos. Also, I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it if you could go ahead, hit the subscriber button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.